What's going on, my friend? Garrett here. If you're watching this video, chances are you're doing your research on the multiple income funnel, this done-for-you system that claims to be able to allow you to make commissions even while you're sleeping. Well, inside this video, I'm going to break down exactly how multiple income funnel works, and if I truly believe in 2021, this is still worth investing into. And are you really going to get the help and the results that you're promised? Okay, so chances are you've probably seen this video here. This is actually the website. If you haven't seen this yet, there's going to be a link directly below this video. So if at any time you do see an opportunity for yourself, you can get taken to this page and you can go ahead and click this button and create an account. Okay, now once you're inside though, you can basically get taken to this page. Okay, now this is the back office and this is where you start to set up your system. Okay. And before I continue, I want to share just some of the results that I've been able to generate. Now, I work this business, this funnel, about 30 to 60 minutes a day. Okay. And this is some of the results I've been able to generate. Now, you can see right here that total paid is $16,362. Okay. Now, this amount right here is the amount of money I've been paid on just the very first income stream, which is multiple income funnel. Okay, so when you actually join this system, the cool thing about it, the thing that I like, the thing that people from around the world, many beginners that have been able to actually plug into this and generate income on a consistent basis, is the fact that you're earning from multiple different income streams. If you go out there and you try to research other businesses, a lot of times they just have one main income stream. And the problem with that is if that income stream stops working, or if someone that you're promoting to just isn't interested, you're missing out and you're leaving money on the table. With this, okay, as you go through the different steps and you go to step 2, there's 4 main income streams. Okay, now all of them pay you different amounts of money. The first income stream is the multiple income funnel. Again, that's what I was able to generate over $16,000 with. The second income stream is Easy One-Up. Now, the great thing about Easy One-Up is if you actually invest into this income stream and you position yourself as high as possible, what you're getting access to is high-level marketing training. So you're going to learn exactly how to get endless people to your website that multiple income funnel gives you when you actually get started. Now, Easy One-Up is great because as you send people to your website and the system takes over and does all the telling and selling for you, when someone actually joins Easy One-Up under you, you earn 100% instant paying commissions. Okay, Easy One-Up is going to be one of the biggest money makers for you. It is for me and a lot of the people that I've talked to. And Easy One-Up pays you as much as $2,000 per commission, okay, which is incredible. And, TechSpot right here is going to pay you $100 instant commissions. And then Traffic Authority pays you every Friday based on how many people you get to join. Okay. So that's really how it works. Now, is this still working? Well, I want to go into our Facebook group because I want you to see not just me, okay, because you may think, oh, yeah, you have, a following on YouTube. You've been doing this for a while. Of course, you're making money. But our average newbies, people that are maybe coming across my video, working a job they hate, maybe they have a family, maybe they have, other obligations. Are they able to, on their lunch break, are they able to, just selling Craigslist items to get started, still make good income and get results? Well, if I go to the Facebook group, which everyone gets added to, okay, when they actually join, or you can actually not get added to, you have to actually request to join. But basically what happens is, okay, this person right here, so this a couple of days ago, please welcome, Joshua to the group, right? You have all these people, welcome this person, okay? And a lot of these people, I don't know this person specifically, but a lot of these people that are posting that they're getting new members joining, they're making commissions and money, are brand new, right? And the beautiful thing, again, this person, okay, he may be brand new to online marketing, and these are real people, okay? You can actually, message them, add them as friends, but he had another person join, okay? This person had another person join. So it's people from around the world. It's a worldwide opportunity, okay? And it's incredibly simple. So now that you're seeing tons and tons of people getting results, okay, this Sylvia person, right? I mean, it's people from all over the world, different ages, different backgrounds, just constantly posting endless results, okay? And the cool thing is too, when you actually join at the link under this video, one of the things you can do is once you're inside our Facebook group, you can literally just, as a bonus tip, take a screenshot tool, okay? You can screenshot this result And now I can post this on Facebook. I can post this on Instagram and say, hey, wow, check out the amazing results our members are getting. If you want more information, message me. And then what do you do when they message you? Well, let me touch on that right now. So the cool thing about multiple income funnel is if you go to the top tab under links, you get your own website, okay, your own capture page. Often when you go out there, you try to join other businesses, you have to create your own website. You have to customize the capture page. You have to come up with the copy and be good at sales and be good at marketing. With this, it's all done for you, okay? So you can choose, one of these 3 capture pages. So let's say this first capture page, you can actually go to this, and now all you want to do is copy your link, okay, which you can find in the top part of the browser. Just copy your link, and now you want to promote this link, okay? Once you set up your system, the different income streams, and you can watch these videos on exactly how to do that very easily. All you have to do is get as many people to this website as possible, okay? Because once they go to the website, they'll put their name and email in, they'll get redirected to this page here, and when they join, you're going to be able to make money because your link is coded and tracked to you. Now, what if people don't decide to buy instantly? What if people don't make a purchase right away? Well, the beautiful thing, again, of multiple income funnel is when they put their email in, the system will start following up for you. It will start following up with these automated emails, okay, 1 a day usually. And when the person opens the email, they will click the link. This link will go back to your website and they will decide to buy, okay? You want to give it some time. It takes some people time to, make a decision. Chances are you're watching this video right now. Not everyone who watches this video is going to go to the link below, pull out your credit card and make an instant purchase, right? Some people take a while to decide to buy. They take a while to make a purchase, and that's fine, okay? So now how do we get people to our website? Because that's really the only thing you have to do. People, ask me sometimes, Garrett, is it really 30 minutes a day, right? Is it really just clicking a couple buttons and making money? Well, when you think about it logically, once you have your system set up and the emails are going to go out, the website's done for you, logically, the only thing you have to do is get people to this website. And if you use methods that I teach on my YouTube channel, that they teach inside the system to get people to your link in 30 minutes a day, then you could literally wake up, or if you're working on your lunch break, make a couple posts on social media, drive some traffic, get some clicks to your website. Then you can close your smartphone, you can close your laptop, walk away, enjoy the rest of your day as money is continuing to flow in. Every single day I check my email and I have more money just coming in. You can see that I'm still, pending 522, 138. Okay, so it's constantly flowing in. Now you can go to traffic, the tab at the top, traffic, and this is going to take you to traffic authority. Okay, now this is a very, very high quality source of traffic, and you can choose a package of clicks. Okay. Now, let's say you have some money and you do the gold package. Okay, what this does is this gives you 850 to 950 high quality real clicks from people that are interested in starting a home business, which is exactly the type of people we want with multiple income funnel. So once we do that, you go to other website and you can paste in your capture page, paste in one of these links. Okay. And then you just add a debit or credit card, you agree to the terms, and you place order. And within a day, you'll start getting clicks to your website. Very, very easy. Now, if you don't have a lot of extra money, or let's say you want to do a little bit more, okay, you purchase one of the packages, you can go to here, you can go to training, you can go to this marketing system, success training, traffic training, okay? So right here, they have all this video training on how to get traffic, many for free. Okay, and traffic, again, is just getting people to click your website. So it gives you everything you need. So if you've seen other videos of people, telling you to watch out and things like that, chances are they're not even a member, okay? Because every single member that I've talked to that's applied the training, that's set up their system, that's driven traffic on a consistent basis, has gotten results. Again, you can see the overwhelming, okay, results on a daily basis, okay? I mean, it's just overwhelming. People, again, many people brand new, okay? So if you're watching this video and you want to get started, be sure you go down below and click that link, put your email into my website so I can send you more information, and then eventually you'll get taken to this page, complete your order, set up your system, okay, right here, and then get traffic to your website. That's all you have to do. And I really look forward to seeing your success story. Go down below, get started. If you have any questions, be sure to comment them if you're watching this on YouTube. And I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Take care, my friend.